Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, I'm Aishwari Surve. So today I'm going to do this makeup look and just share it, please. And yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please stay and watch the video till end. I love you guys. So basically I have cleansed my face, applied a toner and a good amount of moisturizer. Please never skip this step. So let's start. I have this palette and I'm going to use this L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-hour matte foundation which was sent to me by the brand itself. So now I'm just making the foundation quite warm and just dabbing over my face. And then you just have to blend and blend. I like to do my eyes also with the foundation just for the base. And for concealer I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium, and I'm applying it in this way because it just gives you a lift and just concealing my dark spots. And then you just have to blend with a very light hand. So after this I'm going to apply a eyeshadow, like a basic, but for that I need my eyes to be set with a powder. So I'm going to use this L'Oreal Infallible powder and just doing my upper lids. And for the brown shade I'm going to use my contour palette and just going to define it over the crease area, just blending over there because it just gives you the definition. And just applying the blush my inner corner and just going to mix that brown and pink over my eyelids and just see how my eyes look, like very natural. And for blush I'm going to use this lipstick, just warming it up on my hand, and just dab your blender and just apply with a very light hand over your foundation and just apply it in the upward direction so that it will give you lift. I like my nose to look sun-kissed, and so I'm just applying it over my nose and chin area, and I'm just doing my outer eyelids with this blush. And if you feel that your blush is too much, then just take your foundation brush and just go over it. And now I'm going to powder my under eyes, so just remove all your crease and just apply a powder. I'm just using the same pressed powder from L'Oreal, and now powdering all the face. You can just powder wherever you feel your face is oily, but my whole face is oily. And even if I have just powdered it, you just can see how much it is glowing. I haven't even applied highlighter, just see. So for brows, I'm using this brow Genius Kit by L'Oreal Paris, and I'm just brushing my brows. And then I'm just going to use the brow gel to place them on the right position, and then just going to apply the powder which is there. And I just like to fill in the gaps. I don't like to do my eyebrows over because my eyebrows are full already and I don't want to look like a girl with a bushy eyebrows or something like that. So yeah. Now I'm going to take a concealer brush and just removing off the excess, and now I'm going to apply lip balm because I applied it before but it's all under the foundation. And now I'm just going to do my eyes, like I don't know what's it called, the part, but yeah. And my eyes are very sensitive and I tear out, so yeah. And now I'm going to apply this mascara. I like to start by outer lash because it just gives you that lift and it gives you the liner effect. Just see. I'm applying a powder blush over my blush which I applied before. Just blending it and just going to contour the jawline because my jawline is sharp, but just needed it, and contouring the nose. I'm not going to contour the cheekbones because they are already defined very much. I'm going to use this lipstick and in a very pink nude shade, and over it I'm going to apply this a darker shade like 3 dots and just going to mix them all up. That's it. Let me just change and come with some new outfits for you guys.
Running round tonight, you by my side. Nothing compares to this. I cannot lie, wish you were here all the time. I wanna feel your touch, I wanna dive right in and see no way out. I can sense it so deep.
I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. Please, if you like it, please press that like button, subscribe to my channel and share my videos and spread love all around. I will see you guys very soon with a new makeup video or something like that. If you want to see something like skincare and what I'm using for my skin to heal right now or something like that, or anything or any specific makeup look or something you want me guys to try, then you can just comment down below so that I can read it. Yeah, bye.